Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be making Nigerian Jollof, which is the best one. Anyways, I had to give you guys some Nigerian vibes with my Ankara. But anyways, yeah, it's going to be very easy and I'm going to be showing you all the steps. So I'm not just going to pull something random and be like, oh, I already made this from day before yesterday. I'm going to be showing you all the steps and it's going to be very easy. Please enjoy the video and remember to subscribe if you haven't. Also like, comment and share with your family and friends. So basically I'll be using chili peppers instead of Scotch bonnet for this recipe because for some reason they've decided to increase the prices of our Scotch bonnet and I just don't understand, and the thing is unnecessary, honestly. So I've decided to replace them with this and it's going to be really nice, guys. Just trust me on this one. So this pepper mix is enough to make 10 cups of rice, but I'm using half of it, so I'm making 5 cups of rice only. So what I'm doing after blending is to boil this for like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes to allow all the water to dry off completely. So I'm just transferring this into a different pot because I realized that I wanted to use this pot for the jollof rice. So basically, I like frying my tomato puree until it's a little bit darker than it was before. So yeah, and then I'm going to also add my pepper mix at some point and I'm going to fry it together. You can decide to skip all this frying 10 minutes. You can decide to like do 2 minutes or 5 minutes. It's up to you, but this is how I would do it anyways. I can't really give you guys like a specific measurement of the ingredients that I used, so it's just up to you. Basically, just make sure that your Maggi and your seasoning cube is like balancing with the pepper that you're adding. So make sure that it's not like it's too spicy, you can't taste the sweetness, you know. Just make sure it's balanced basically. And yeah, I do love adding different types of pepper to my food. In fact, at some point I'm going to add hot chilies because I just like the way it looks. I like the aroma it gives to the food. Oh god, if you don't love pepper and you're staying with me, I will make you love it. So yeah, I'm using Basmati rice because in my opinion it's the best rice for jollof rice out there. And don't be like me, don't waste your rice, be careful how when you pour it, you know. So yeah, and then I'm going to be adding more water to just like cover the surface of the rice a little bit because you don't want your rice to be soggy, you don't want it to be too soft. So you just add enough because just try to imagine like how much you would need basically, because you don't want to keep opening your jollof rice whilst it's cooking to be adding water because you don't want to confuse your rice, you know. But anyways, now my jollof rice is ready. Hey, look at that deliciousness, guys. When I tell you this jollof rice was tasty, this jollof rice was so tasty. Oh god, look at that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. By the way, spicy beef is actually the way when it comes to jollof rice, but me and my wings, you know, we just love each other so much. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye.